Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We're seeing uTirelo here posting a teaser asho ukubana uMpumelelo Mseleko is becoming Mr. Kale, as there's news buzzing all over ukubana now men, boyfriend okanye husband, they are allowed to take isibongo somfazi. So uTirelo did post a teaser of uMpumelelo anxibe ithawulo the journey to become Mrs. Kale. Abantu batsho ke nokubana ku-comment section ukubana yeyi ngathi siyambona impela uMpumelelo sekangu-Mrs. Kale. Sekasithi yebo mama siyabo, like abantu bathi hayi shem, kuyabe kungulo mfazi lo uthi hayi, I don't care, I don't give a toot ukubana hayi, just go and get it yourself, because hayi mina ke le angeke ngiyimele. Imagining uMpumelelo becoming the submissive wife. Hey guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.